First, take Line Segment tool. Draw a line. Hold Alt and drag the line to make a copy. Then press Ctrl+D to make more copy. Select all, and align the lines. Right-click, then transform, and the rotate, and follow the settings. Select all. Then rotate the shape. Take Polygon tool, and follow the process. Select all. Take Shape Builder tool, and follow the process. Hold Shift, and select the shape. Then press Ctrl+X to cut, and follow the process. Select all, and turn off the stroke color. Then go to Gradient panel, and follow the process.